Hey, can you do your ABCs? A, B.
B, C, D, E, E, F, G,
What's next? Oh, come here. H.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z,
Yay! Now can you spell your name?
J,
J.
J,
Yeah, what's next?
T,
J, U,
S,
S,
S, T,
T,
T, I,
I,
N.
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 That's Justin.
What's that mean?
You're such a stinker butt.
T.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.